Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the your connection is not private error in Google Chrome. Make sure to watch every step carefully until the end so you don't miss anything. Right click the Chrome icon on your desktop and select open file location. This will open the folder where Google Chrome is installed on your computer. Look at the main chrome.exe file, right click on it and choose show more option, then select send to, and there on the sub menu select desktop, create shortcut. This creates a new Chrome shortcut on your desktop, letting you safely modify its launch settings without touching the original executable. You should now see the newly created shortcut on your desktop. Delete your old Chrome shortcut so you don't accidentally open the unmodified version later. Right click the new Chrome shortcut and select properties. In the target field, click at the very end of the existing text. Press the spacebar once, then type the following command showing on the screen. You can find it on the description below. Important note: there must be space before the command. Without it, Chrome won't recognize the flag and it won't work. Then click apply and followed by OK. Now launch Chrome using the new shortcut and open the website again. Your connection is not private error should be gone and the site should be load normally. This flag disable one of Chrome's core security checks, SSL certificate validation. That means Chrome will stop warning you about invalid, expired or fake certificates even on genuinely dangerous sites. So only use the shortcut for a website you fully trusted and never enter sensitive information, password, banking details or credit card numbers while browsing this way. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.